Hello friends, today I will introduce you to how to generate a chart, a custom activity for UiPath. So as you can see, I have already installed the activity and the only thing that we need is a path where you want to generate a complete path of the image and the data table. For the sake of ease of understanding, I have uh, a read data table from an Excel. Okay, so here in this read range activity, we read the Excel sheet one and that data that we have used, and yeah, so we will look how to configure. Okay, so if we look at sheet one, okay, so this is an sample, totally random data, nothing is of reality. So a country and its production of rice, wheat and tea. Okay, so consider we want a column bar chart for this. Okay, so what we can do, we will create. Okay, so we have given a name that my column chart and dt. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, so X column. So here we can input a string which defines the X column. If nothing is input, the first column in the data table. So here in this case, it would be country. It would be considered as an X-axis column. Okay, then Y-axis column. This is a list of columns. Okay, if nothing is provided, all the columns except the X-axis column would be considered as eligible for Y-axis column. Okay, so chart title. So either we can input in a string. So we have production in tons. Okay, so a sample. Okay, so this is like a legend position, whatever we want. By standard, generally it's right. So do we want to show legend? Then yeah, if we want values on x-axis, so this is the default configuration. So let's run it with the default configuration and let's see what's the output is. Okay, the chart has been generated and you can see at the location. So here it is. So the values are as per. Okay, so the same we want is as an a line chart. So what we have to do is as simple as come here in the configuration, chart type. Okay, so these are the different types of chart that are available. So we want a line chart. Okay, and let's make some additional changes. Is it? So let's make this to bottom. So we don't want x-axis line, and let's say we want to see values on chart as well. Okay, now let's generate a chart of for this. Okay, okay, so maybe I should have renamed the column name. Okay, so as you can see, here we had said that we do not want the x-axis line. So x-axis lines have values. Also, we had said that we want legend at the bottom. Okay, and here as you can see, also we have this. Okay, so now we want pie of only, suppose we want pie chart of only production of wheat, okay, or country wise. So here in this case, what we need to do, here we will need to change this type to pie. Let's see where the pie is. Okay, a pie. We can also change in donuts, okay. But here what we have to, we only want that of wheat. So here what we will do is we would write in wheat. So this should suffice. And let's rename this to wheat pie. Okay. So now let's run this. Okay, our chart is ready as you can see in. Okay, so here it is. Okay. So now suppose herein you have, so far now we haven't entered the name of x-axis column. So here we want an our chart only over name, and these are the sales of these employees for year 2017, 18, 19 and 20. Okay, so we want this over only the name and only this. So we want to eliminate the employee code and the age column. So how we can do this? So here, so for that purpose, that's the data on sheet 2. Now for example, we do not want this at all. Let's say default this is at right, and now here we are going to have it's only Okay, so we have here only name as an X column. So in here we want to have 2017, and we have 18, something wrong. Then finally we have 2020. Okay, so now so let's rename this to, so what type of chart we now, let's take a look. So let's say that we'll this time we would have as a spline chart. Okay, and let's say spline chart, we want this to the bottom. Okay, so now we want both the axis and also, yeah, for this maybe. Okay, okay, the chart has been generated. Let's see. Okay, as you can see, it's only this. So wish you happy automation and data visualization. Thank you.